This is really cute. Oh my god. It's so simple. Would you believe me if I told you that this is a half wig? Well, I'm gonna need you to keep on watching so I can give you all the details. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and this video will be very quick on how to install a half wig the headband method. Very beginner friendly. I know y'all have seen headbands on YouTube, on social media, everywhere, but the half wig is a construction that it'll allow you to not have to wear it only as a headband wig, but you can literally do a seamless wand curl style with this. You can do the flip over method with your natural hair out with this hair. It's so many options, but for this video I'm going to be showing you the easy and convenient way to just style your half wig as a headband wig. So I'm talking too much, just keep on watching to see how we're gonna do it. Y'all, my hair is in need of some serious TLC. I know that, okay? I'm gonna be getting a trim soon. I kind of want to do a bit chop, but I'm trying to salvage as much as I can because my hair is not, you know, completely damaged everywhere. The front is definitely going through it, and I know I'm gonna have to cut off probably 2 inches off the front. But we're doing protective styles, we're doing heatless styles, we're doing anything to help the nourishment of our hair. You don't always have to have a braid down or a foundation like braids to do a style like this, which helps it be so convenient. My shoulders. I have a slight tan from when I was outside recently. Disregard that. Now, because I do have my hair in a low bun, I'm going to go ahead and add a wig cap just to help my hair not be sliding and being frizzy when I throw this half wig on. So let's just go ahead and grab that. And I'm going to slide it back to about right there. I don't know if I want to do baby hairs yet or not. We're going to see once this wig gets on our head. This is a simple install, y'all. It's a comb. No clips. It's just comb. So all I'm going to be doing is taking this piece right here and combing it into my head. And I actually might want to leave out a little bit more hair. We're going to throw it on. Once I got it on, I'm going to feel for the comb attachment and literally comb it into my hair. Same thing over here. Feel for the comb. Like y'all see me right there. Pop it out, comb it in your head. It's that simple. This is the part where if I wanted to do leave out, you can literally leave out hair to go over it. This would be great for like a style if you wanted to wand curl your hair to make it blend in. If you wanted to do a half up, half down, this is so seamless that if you did leave out, that'd be really cute. But for this style, we're gonna do the headband method. That is honestly the quickest and easiest thing that you can do to install this wig. I do think that the leave out process would be really cute, but you do you. Inside, it did come with 2 headbands. Crazy how this one would match my outfit today, but I am still gonna try this one on. It's that simple. And then I'm gonna move around some of the hair. This is really cute. Oh my god. It's so simple. So the headband helps to hide that line of demarcation between your hair and the wig. Just like that. If I wanted to, I could slide this back to have a little bit more of my hair out. But because I'm doing the no baby hair look, I think it's fine like this. So this is look number 1 with this headband. I think I'm going to go ahead and switch to the gray one because it kind of matches my outfit for today. Y'all, this wig is very secure. The combs are not aggravating. It's not literally pinching into my scalp or anything like that, but this is the most convenient and easiest way. Go to the gym, go to brunch with different type of headbands. You get you a designer headband. It's a lot that you can do with this, y'all. But let's take a second to look at this hair. This is straight out of the packaging. These curls are so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is literally like a lazy girl install because I'm not doing nothing to it. I do have another headband that I would like to use for this install also. And then with that, we're going to see if we can do like a half up, half down. But that's how easy it is to literally switch out these styles. This is how we're looking. You can flip it to the side and do like a side action. Do some like side parting. All right, y'all, that is it for this video. Sorry that it was so quick, but it's literally that simple to install a half wig. Fake it till you make it. Don't forget, if you want to leave out and do your different styles with it, you do that. But if you'd like to see how I styled this wig, very simple, very no skill friendly, please keep on watching to the end of the video to check those out. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. This is an affordable wig, so if you want something that you can just throw on and go, this is the wig for you. Okay, shout out to you, Lavy hair, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.